Now, the reason why I want to do this video is because I wanted to show you this particular balloon gift basket. I wanted to show you how versatile this gift basket can be. You can use it for any holiday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, even Easter for the kids, okay? Now, what I want to tell you guys is I do not want to charge. I don't want to charge you guys for the information simply because I want those who don't have the money to learn how to do this as well. Okay, point blank, period. I want everybody to learn this. Okay, all I ask for you guys to do is to help me so that way I can help you. All you have to do is subscribe. If you already subscribed, you guys, I thank you so much. If not, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that like. Okay, share this video, you guys, and hit that notification bell. That way you can know when my videos come, okay? Now, with this particular gift basket, as you can see, I use no string, okay? I don't use string. That is because I use a U-Haul to transport my gifts, and I don't want it to be knocked. If I use string, the little stuffed animal will be knocked all over the place. By the time I set up, it'll be all messed up. So that's why I want to teach you how to make it without the string and it'll be nice and secure, okay? Also, let's take a closer look at this basket. I want to show you guys how to seal up your basket. You can see the items in there. This particular one is a cocoa basket. It has the cup, the cocoa bomb, and a hot chocolate pack. Okay, and it even have gifts in the back. Let me turn it around so you can see. Let me back up a little bit so you can kind of see. It has the chocolate spoons for your hot cocoa and also a cookie. Okay, so that's what the back looks like. All right, let's turn it back around. All right, you guys, again, all you got to do, if you can, please subscribe. I'll truly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like, all right, and hit that notification bell, and that's it. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.